The shiitake butter shoyu was simply delicious. It's just mushrooms sauteed in soy sauce. It had a peculiar taste, but I liked it nonetheless.
Then we had tofu dengaku, which is just tofu marinated in soy sauce, and of course there's some spices. It was also quite delicious. It's tofu, what do you expect? And of course we had this with gohan, which is rice. So that was also quite delicious. And the second time around I ordered shakekawa chips, which is just salmon skin fried. That was really weird. I didn't know that was a thing. I was like, wait, you honestly just take the skin off the salmon and fry it, then you sell it? I didn't particularly like it. But it is something cultural, so I tried it. And then I ordered something else, which is
Edamame. It is a preparation of immature soybeans into pods, and it tasted good. It was quite healthy too, because it was boiled, I believe. And I liked it. I really liked it.
And one of the most interesting aspects of this experience is that when I went to the bathroom, I saw a Japanese style toilet, which has buttons. So here it is. This was so cool. It was unfortunate that I couldn't get to test all the functions. But this simply made me feel as if I were in an authentic Japanese restaurant in Japan. All in all, my experience at Jinchan Shokudo was quite pleasant. It was the most authentic Japanese experience I've had, since the workers are all Japanese and the environment is completely Japanese. Also, the portion sizes are super small. Anyways, that is my experience at Jinchan Shokudo. I would definitely recommend that you go there and try other things. I was limited to what was vegan until I decided to try something a little bit more, which was the salmon skin. Anyways, that is all for today. As usual, like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Ciao, ciao.